Hello everyone, welcome back to dptutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a 3-week look-ahead plan in Primavera P6, one of the most important reports used by site teams and project managers. Let's take this sample construction project. Today's date is 29th January 26. So, our 3-week look-ahead window will be 29th January 26 plus 21 days. Set the data date. Go to Tools arrow Schedule and set the data date as today's date, 29th January 2026. Now go to Filters, click on this filter icon and click on New button. Create a filter named 3-week look ahead. Add the following conditions: activity status not equal to completed, start date less than or equal to data date plus 21 days, finish date greater than or equal to data date. This ensures we capture ongoing activities. Activities starting soon. Activities finishing within the next 3 weeks. Apply the filter and click OK. Now Primavera P6 will display only activities relevant to the next 3 weeks, removing long-term and already completed tasks. Adjust columns for site view. Go to View arrow columns and add Activity ID, Activity Name, Start, Date Finish, Date Original Duration, Remaining Duration, Percent, Complete, Total Float. This gives site teams exactly what they need. No clutter. Finally, go to Layout, Save As, and name it 3-week Look Ahead. This allows you to reuse the same view every week with just a data date update. And that's how you create a 3-week look ahead plan in Primavera P6 Desktop, clean, focused, and execution ready. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more Primavera P6 tutorials from dptutorials. See you in the next video.